In 2012, we were having dishwashing problems, and we investigated a lot of machines, and we found Myco, a German-made company.
And we decided to invest in them and their MyQ dishwasher. It was the first of its type to come to the United States.
I mean, as far as this machine, it brings you into the 21st, the 22nd century, actually. Our first year, we saved over $30,000 in utility costs and close to $75,000 in labor. And aside from that, it's a good machine. It's very efficient. Everything comes through clean. It works first time every time.
We used to run 2.5 shifts a day, 7 days a week, to be able to wash all of our dishes and glasses. Now we're down to 2 shifts a day, 5 days a week. So as far as quantity, in the last busy season that we had, in 1 week we washed about 60,000 plates in a week on this machine. We washed about 70,000 glasses on this machine. The machine can easily accommodate in excess of 4,000 dishes an hour. In our previous machine, we would have been using about 1,500 gallons of water a day to do that. Now we do about 600 gallons of water a day. Our chemical consumption is cut by 2/3, and our natural gas used to heat the water is cut by 2/3. So, I mean, it's a tremendous savings in resources for us. Plus, it's just better for the environment. Prior to starting this season, we actually brought on another Myco. This is a MyQ-K. It's a rack conveyor. We use it specifically for glasses. We also put in a reverse osmosis water filtration system on the final rinse, which allows us to be able to control the water quality so we don't have spots when the glass is dry. This reduces our manual labor because there is no longer a need to polish every glass. It's allowed us to increase our capacity tremendously. It's also added to a shortened turnaround time for all of our products so that we can get things out the door quicker. It allows us to be able to sell the same item more times. It's added to morale from the standpoint, we know what time we're going to be in, we know what time we're leaving, we know that we have the capacity to do what we need to do. With the 2 machines, we can run glasses and dishes at the same time, which is a huge benefit because of the fact that if we're running plates, we don't have to wait to wash glassware. If we're running glassware, we don't have to wait to run plates. So whatever the setup crew needs, they can just tell the warewash supervisor what they need, and he runs it. And they're way happier. The load crew is happier because things are going out the door on time and when they're supposed to. The customer's happier because when they put in a last-minute order, it can get to them quickly. You know, just the added capacity makes everybody happier. The people who work here, our customers, management and ownership is very happy because of the fact that they're able to plan on the payroll being manageable.
If you're in the dishware business, it's a machine it's not a question whether you can afford the machine. It's a question you can't afford not to have this machine. It's dependable, it's there for you, it's going to save you money in the long run. You need to work with this machine. As far as the value, you can't afford not to have it because look at the numbers. In the first year and a half, you'll basically pay back your investment.
We couldn't do what we do without them. They're part of the team. They're part of the family. And the people at Myco have become like that for us as well. I mean, they really do support us, and they are another part of the team. They're a partner.